All right, good morning. So a little bit of catch up here. It's been a couple of days since we got this thing running and since I had the problem with the mass airflow sensor, and it was indeed the mass airflow sensor. I tried 3 different sensors and nothing would get this to run. Fortunately, my buddy had one, so I drove down and got that from him, swapped it in, fired it up, everything runs perfect. So we are here at Summit Point, West Virginia at the racetrack today. There's a Porsche event, there's a different event, and then we have our RallyCross event here. So we'll see how she does. I've been in storage for a minute and totally different engine. Haven't revved it out, haven't really driven it. Drove it around the neighborhood, but whatever. We'll just see how it goes. So yeah, that's it. Let's get to some racing. I didn't see my time. Hold on. Let's see. 79.66. Got a little faster. Runs are done, lunch is done. We are starting PM runs. I think I'm currently in the lead, but that's only because that guy hit a shit ton of cones. So, oh well, it is what it is. But yeah, there's quite a few GCs here today. It's actually pretty cool. There's a white one over here that's super nice. I guess he just had a bunch of body work done. But dry, dusty, a little hot, but we got some sun, we got some shade. It's a good day overall. So yeah, let's get back to some racing. PM runs are done. I don't know where I finished. I didn't actually look. I'll look when I get home. But car's in the trailer. Always a good race when a car makes it back in the trailer, especially if it's an event that you just put an engine in the day before, or at least finished the swap. The new 2-liter did great. Definitely lacking in the torque department, but it makes up for it in revs. And I think the car was probably just as fast as it's always been. It's hard to tell because the old motor was hurt for so long, but pretty sure it's an improvement because it runs now and it doesn't blow a bunch of smoke. So gonna keep working on it and see how it does. Really fun to be racing with the guys down here at DC again at Summit Point. An absolute blast. Thank you so much for following along. That's gonna be it for this episode. Thanks for hanging out.